Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by locking in posture and the home row because accuracy scales with comfort. Place your left fingers on a SDF and your right on JKL. This anchors motion and shortens travel time. Once done, relax your shoulders and keep wrists level so you avoid tension. That's why people who rush posture hit more errors. Set a modest target, 15 minutes of steady practice now, rather than long, inconsistent sessions later. You progress by isolating movements so muscle memory forms reliably. Start with the home row drills, then add the top row, then the bottom row. Practicing in chunks prevents overwhelm. Practice common two-letter combos and short words so transitions become automatic, and track speed with a metronome or a 30 WPM baseline to keep rhythm. Make sure to raise your speed by small increments, 5 WPM at a time, so accuracy stays high as you accelerate. You finish by refining both speed and consistency through targeted practice. Run time tests where you prioritize accuracy first. Once consistent, push speed by about 5% and repeat. When errors cluster on specific keys, isolate them with short, focused drills so the brain unlearns bad patterns. If you hit a plateau or feel discomfort, stop, rest, and check posture and wrist alignment. Make sure to break sessions into shorter bursts.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.